Morning, dear student. Dear student, we are doing exercise of the story, The Fearless Fighter. And yesterday I have explained you about the hard word of this lesson. Today I will discuss the next exercise, C4. On the basis of your reading of the passage, tick the correct answer. So यहाँ पर जो हमें कुछ पैसेज दिए गए हैं जो हमने स्टोरी में पढ़ा है उसको देखते हुए हमें जो राइट आंसर उसे फिर टिक करना है. नंबर 1, जानकी प्रैक्टिस स्विमिंग 20 kilometers every day in option A, Arabian Sea. Next option is Indian Ocean, and the next is the English Channel. So the Janki practice swimming 20 kilometers every day in the Arabian Sea. The right answer is Arabian Sea. Number 2, Janki swam in the channel for first option is 4 hours, second option is 2 hours and a half, and the last option is 1 hour and a half. So right answer is 2 hours and a half. Janki swam in the channel for 2 hours and a half. And the next one, third one is the channel officials were shocked to see Janki because she was option A girl, next option is an Indian, and the last option is a handicapped girl. So the right answer is a handicapped girl. The channel officials were shocked to see Janki because she was a handicapped girl. Fourth, while swimming in the channel, Janki faced a lot of difficulties. They were due to first option is cold and salty water. Second option is seaweeds and jellyfish, and the last option is both the above. So right answer is both the above. While swimming in the channel, Janki faced a lot of difficulty. They were due to cold and salty water and seaweeds and jellyfish. तो ये दोनों ही आंसर जो है हमारे सही हैं कि दोनों फेस किए थे. तो लास्ट ऑप्शन क्या है? बोथ द अबव. दोनों ही आंसर. राइट आंसर इज बोथ द अबव. So dear student, here we have done exercise C4. Now I will discuss the next exercise C5. Write T for true and F for false statement. So the first one is Janki was not allowed to make a solo attempt in the channel. Janki was not allowed to make a solo attempt in the channel. The right answer is true. So you will write true here. आपके पास सर्कल दिया, आप उस बॉक्स के अंदर लिखेंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज जानकी's teammate were Indian. So we have read in the story Janki's teammate were American. The statement is F, false statement. The next one is Janki did not need much training to fulfill the conditions to the English Channel Swimming Association. Janki did not much training to fulfill the condition of the English Channel Swimming Association. And the right answer is true, क्योंकि उसके पास सारे सर्टिफिकेट्स थे जो कि उस इवेंट के लिए चाहिए थे, तो उसको एक्स्ट्रा किसी ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं थी कि वो जो कंपटीशन था इंग्लिश चैनल स्विमिंग वाला, कि उसे और ट्रेनिंग या और सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए. तो डिड नॉट नीड much training to fulfill the condition of English Channel Swimming Association. The right answer is true. The fourth one is the officials of the English Channel Association were not much impressed with Janki's confidence. The officials of the English Channel Association were not much impressed by the Janki's confidence, and the answer is false, because वो बहुत ज़्यादा उससे इम्प्रेस्ड हो गए, तो उसके कॉन्फिडेंस को देखकर कैसे ये जो है मीन्स फिज़िकली जो है चैलेंज्ड गर्ल है, फिर भी उसके पास सारे सर्टिफिकेट्स हैं और वो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है कि वो चैनल में स्विम कर सके. फिफ्थ वन इज Janki's ambition was to swim alone in the English Channel. Janki's ambition was to swim alone in the English Channel. So dear student, we have read in the chapter कि उसकी ambition सिर्फ इंग्लिश चैनल में स्विम करने का था. उसने ये नहीं लिखा था कि मैं अलोन करूँगी या किसी ग्रुप में करना है. तो जो स्टेटमेंट है वो है फॉल्स. So Janki's ambition was to swim alone in the English Channel. The answer is false. Now the next one, sixth, all the difficulties Janki faced while swimming in the channel were forgotten as she swam to victory. All the difficulties Janki faced while swimming in the channel were forgotten as she swam to victory. The answer is true. क्योंकि जब वो जो भी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ थी, जब उसे लगा कि वो पहुंचने वाली है वहाँ पर, जीत की बिल्कुल कगार पर है, तो जितनी भी उसने चैलेंजेस थे जो वाटर में उसने फेस किए थे वो सब भूल चुकी थी. वो भूल गई थी इस चीज़ को कि मैं पानी में जो उसने फेस किया था. ओके, तो स्टेटमेंट क्या है? ट्रू. सेवेंथ, जानकी बिलीव्ड इन luck and did not want to work hard. Janki believed in luck and did not want to work hard. The statement is false. This statement is false because Janki believed in hard work, determination and courage. जानकी जो थी सिर्फ लक पे ही विश्वास नहीं करती कि लक होना चाहिए, वो विश्वास करती थी मेहनत के ऊपर, डिटर्मिनेशन के ऊपर, करेज के ऊपर. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, हियर वी हैव डन exercise C5. Tomorrow we will discuss the next exercise of this lesson. So what will you do? You will revise this exercise. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.